Hi, my name is Chelsea, and today I'd like to talk to you about the different types of dyslexia and the different effects it has on the brain. What is dyslexia? Dyslexia is a learning disability in reading. People with dyslexia have trouble reading at a good pace and without mistakes. They may also have a hard time with reading comprehension, spelling, and writing. What are some signs of dyslexia? They may have a hard time learning nursery rhymes or song lyrics. They may struggle to name familiar objects. They may have trouble remembering things in the correct order. They may have trouble sounding out certain words. They often confuse letters that look familiar, like B as in boy and D as in dog, and they may have trouble spelling. What are the different types of dyslexia? There is dysgraphia and dyscalculia. Dysgraphia is a term that refers to trouble with writing. It impacts skills like handwriting, typing, and spelling. Dyscalculia affects the ability to acquire arithmetical skills. Dyscalculia learners may have difficulty understanding simple number concepts, lack of intuitive graphs of numbers, and have problems learning number facts and procedures. How does dysgraphia affect the brain? Orthographic coding in working memory is related to handwriting and is often impaired in dysgraphia. Orthographic coding refers to the ability to store written words in working memory while the letters in the word are analyzed, or the ability to create permanent memory of written words linked to their pronunciation or meaning. What are some signs of dysgraphia? People may struggle with forming letters, writing grammatically correct sentences, spacing letters correctly, writing in a straight line, holding and controlling a writing tool, and writing clearly enough to read back. How does dyscalculia affect the brain? For genes and hereditary, dyscalculia tends to run in families. Research shows that genetic may also play a part in problems with math. Brain development. Brain imaging studies have shown that differences between people with and without dyscalculia, the difference have to do with how the brain is structured and how it functions in areas that are linked to learning skills. What are some signs of dyscalculia? They include trouble grasping the meaning of concepts like biggest versus smallest, understanding that the numeral 5 is the same as the word, remembering math facts in school, counting money or making change, estimating time, or understanding the logic behind actual math. All three of these make it hard and difficult for children to learn correctly in their classroom, but it does not make them any less of a student. Thank you so much for listening in today on the differences between the dyslexias and how they both affect the brain. I hope you all have a great day.